In 2020, crews began working on the first of many projects aimed at reducing overflows into the Penobscot River.
According to the Natural Resources Defense Council, more than 80% of the world's wastewater is dumped back into rivers, lakes, and oceans, polluting them.
News Center Maine's Carly Dion has details on how the first project along the Penobscot will soon be up and running.
This area along Bangor's waterfront may look like just a plot of dirt, but below it sits a $31 million project known as the Davis Brook Combined Sewer Overflow Storage Tank.
It's part of the city's efforts to reduce the number of combined sewer overflows that go out to the Penobscot River.
Bangor's city engineer John Terrio says between 20 and 30 overflow events happen every year during heavier rainstorms.
There's so much flow that the collection system and the treatment plant can't handle the flow, so there's licensed overflows that actually send the sewer out to the river.
This project, which started more than 2 years ago, is the city's first step in its long-term goal of reducing overflows to 4 per year. The wastewater once dumped into the river now will be sent to this 3.8 million gallon storage tank.
It's just storing it for a brief period of time until the treatment plant can handle the flows again.
Once complete, this area will again become part of the walking paths down by the water. This just one of the many improvements happening at the waterfront, including the Maine Savings Amphitheater project, still very much an active construction scene. The city also working to purchase a plot of land along the river just behind the Hollywood Casino.
There is a carved out piece, about 2 acres, that Pike Industries had owned for a long time.
Terrio says contractor S.E. McMillan bought that land at the start of the sewer project to use as additional office and storage space. He says the owner agreed to sell that land to the city for $275,000.
Anytime there's an opportunity for the city to extend our access to the river and the waterfront in general for the citizens of Bangor and the surrounding areas is a welcome opportunity.
Bangor Parks and Recreation Director Tracy Willett says this is one of many exciting additions to the city's waterfront. This summer, he says they also plan to bring back 5 food trucks to the parking area.
It's exciting to see some of that activity return here to the waterfront and make it a destination.
A destination with something for everyone. In Bangor, Carly Dion, News Center, Maine.
And Terrio says this project should be finished in June. The next steps in the city's long-term plan to reduce overflows will be to build 2 additional wastewater storage tanks. You can check out more top stories on the News Center Maine app. It's free wherever you download your apps.